In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts on Brevo. Let's get started right from the Brevo dashboard. First, log into your Brevo account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This left panel is where you'll find all of Brevo's main sections. You want to locate the option labeled CRM. Go ahead and click on that. When you click CRM, it will bring you into the area where your contacts are managed. You should now be on the contacts page. This is where all of your existing contacts are listed and where you can create new ones. To add someone new, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a button that says Create a Contact. Click on this button. As soon as you do, a drawer or side panel will slide open from the right side of the screen. This is the form where you'll enter all of the details for your new contact. In this drawer, you'll see several fields to fill in. Start by entering the contact's first name and last name. These help you quickly recognize who you're dealing with later on. Next, add the person's email address. This is especially important if you plan to send them newsletters, campaigns, or any other email communication through Brevo. Below that, you'll see fields for an SMS number and a landline number. If you have both, you can enter them here. The SMS number is used for text message campaigns, while the landline can be useful for sales or support calls. If you don't have one of these, you can simply leave that field blank. You might also see a field called XTED. This is typically used if you're connecting Brevo with another system, like a CRM or an internal database, and you want to store that external identifier here for tracking. Next, choose the contact's time zone. Setting the correct time zone helps ensure that any scheduled emails or messages go out at a time that makes sense for them. Then select the lists you want this contact to be part of. Lists are how you organize contacts for different audiences or campaigns. So choose the ones that match the person's role or interests. You can also fill in the job title, any associated companies, and a LinkedIn profile link if you have it. These details make your contact record richer and more useful for future communication. Once you're happy with all the information you've entered, scroll down to the bottom of the drawer and click the Create button. After a moment, the drawer will close, and you'll be taken back to your main contacts list. You should now see your newly added contact included in the list, ready to be used in your campaigns, automations, or CRM workflows. And that's all it takes to add a contact in Brevo.